What do they do? Do they play while you're gone?
No,
And
they sleep.
do they have tea parties while you're gone?
No, when I'm here, I have a tea party.
And do they like to play the tea party with real tea, or do they just have pretend tea?
Pretend.
Really?
Yes. We have it in my bedroom, so we get pretend tea.
Does your mommy play too?
Yeah, and my brother,
What's his name?
Julian.
That's right. He's my grandson.
I'm your granddaughter.
Yes, you're my sweet granddaughter. You're getting bigger every day. I see you.
I know more water.
I know. You can spell your name.
But Juju's already 7.
I know. And how do you spell your name?
K-A-A-M-I.
Very good. Cameron Michelle Hahn. And how do you spell Hahn?
Cameron Michelle Hahn.
And how do you spell Hahn?
H-U-N.
H-A-U-N. Yay, Cammy. Is that good? Uh-oh, I get it. You want to put it right there? Thank you. Ew. Oh.
It is watching it off.
You are?
I want to see the video.
You do?
Mhm.
Okay, I'll stop it then.